Click on the link below to get price. The upgraded dehumidifiers for home, designed to accommodate spaces up to 2,500 cubic feet, approximately 280 square feet, is an impressive addition to any household struggling with humidity. With a capacity of 35 ounces, this dehumidifier effectively tackles excess moisture, creating a more comfortable living environment. One of the standout features of this model is its compact design, which allows it to fit seamlessly into various rooms without occupying too much space. Whether placed in the bedroom, bathroom, or basement, its sleek aesthetic is unobtrusive yet functional. The operation is incredibly straightforward. It comes equipped with a simple control panel that allows users to adjust settings easily. The dehumidifier operates quietly, making it suitable for both day and night use. Unlike traditional dehumidifiers that can be noisy, this model works silently in the background, allowing for uninterrupted sleep or focus while working. Efficiency is another strong point. It can effectively reduce humidity levels in just a few hours, making a noticeable difference in air quality. The 35-ounce water tank is thoughtfully designed, featuring a removable filter that ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. This capacity allows for extended use before needing to be emptied, which is particularly convenient for busy households. Additionally, the auto shut-off feature ensures that the unit powers down when the tank is full, preventing overflow and ensuring peace of mind. In terms of performance, this upgraded dehumidifier excels in extracting moisture from the air, which can help prevent mold and mildew growth. It's particularly effective in humid climates or during humid seasons, making it an essential appliance for anyone looking to improve their living conditions. Overall, the upgraded dehumidifiers for home is a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels, enhancing comfort, and promoting a healthier home environment. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone battling excess moisture.